Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, some active thunderstorms this evening right over Lafayette into eastern Acadia Parish. A nice light show. You got to be careful, though, taking those lightning pictures. If you go to my Facebook or Twitter feed, there were some very close cloud-to-ground lightning strikes where people are just shooting some of the thunderstorm activity. So be careful out there. Enjoy the storm indoors and watch it with me on the radar. So let's go ahead, show you what's going on across the area this evening. Some active storms locally, but nothing to be worried about, and another impulse off to our north and west that may produce storms here later on tonight through tomorrow morning. So we're entering a pretty active weather period, and tomorrow an excellent chance of rain and thunderstorms, but not everybody gets a good soaking, but some do. It's kind of like that Stones song. Sometimes you can't always get what you want, but sometimes you get what you need, and that's what we have seen in spots across Acadiana. Some storms this evening. Western part of Lafayette Parish putting on a big light show earlier. First off, though, we'll show you this one storm that is just north and east of Welsh and just to the north of Jennings, producing some lightning, but nothing serious here. Some nice downpours, mainly staying along and north of I-10. Here's a 2-hour loop, I think. Yeah, here we go. You can see how this storm really got going. Even maybe some pea-sized hail in around the Doosan area from Rain, Doosan to Judice. I got a couple of reports of power outages, but that lightning has dissipated, and this storm has migrated slowly to the east, northeast, and has been weakening. But check out the rainfall just south and east of the Doosan area, 3.3 inches of rain, and that came in roughly an hour's time. So when it rains, it pours around here, and that is truly the case. So some much needed rain, other than, well, guess what? The mosquitoes are going to be coming on full force with the recent rain and the rain we expect tomorrow. So here's predictive radar, not picking up on a whole lot through the wee morning hours, but notice we do have energy coming at us from the north and west. So that should get storms going sometime mid-morning-ish. We'll say anytime between 7 and 9. And notice the activity really gets going as we get into the early afternoon hours, and the risk of perhaps of a few severe storms. We'll talk more about that in a bit. Futurecast indicating much the same. I think it might be a little bit more active than what Futurecast is indicating, at least through tomorrow morning. But notice as we get daytime heating going by lunchtime, a good round of showers and storms, some action building to the south, and I think we could see a few pulse severe storms that could produce damaging winds, maybe some small hail. And then by drive time, this model kind of pushing things out quickly, but we may slow it down a little bit, so still pretty good rain chances probably for the drive time. And then drier air coming in as we head into tomorrow evening and going into Wednesday. The model not going for much, but we're going to keep a 20% chance in the forecast for your Wednesday. Here's the severe weather threat. Primary risk will be damaging winds and hail. Also be on the lookout for frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. That's one of the #1 weather killers across Louisiana in the summertime. 2 fatalities every year. You don't want to be on that list. We do need the rain. This is the drought status. This is going to get updated later this week, but we've been in the dry to almost moderate category down toward Cameron Parish, so any rain we get will be much needed, although it won't put much dent in the current drought situation. As for rainfall, this is the latest run of Futurecast, so we won't take it too seriously, but this highlights what may happen tomorrow. Some folks don't get much rain. Others get 2, 3, or 4 inches of rain wherever the storms tend to manifest, and no model can forecast exactly where thunderstorms are going to go in this type of pattern. So just be ready for rain and storms and be careful out there as well. So warm and humid tonight. Few storms early as we have right now. Maybe some rolling in late. We'll keep that rain chance at 40%. 75 the low. Then tomorrow showers and storms likely. Gusty winds. Maybe that hail threat as we mentioned. And we'll say 1 to 2 inches possible in spots, but not everybody gets the rainfall they need. 87 the projected high. So that's the good news. We'll have plenty of clouds and showers around, so we should stay below 94 tomorrow. Not so for the rest of the 10-day forecast. Rain chances down into the 10 to 20% range later this week. But by the end of the weekend and going into next week, it looks like rain chances going back up, and we'll need the rain, so we'll take it. And right now, other than the slight risk, the marginal risk of severe weather for tomorrow, we do need the storms, and we'll take the rainfall, just hopefully not too much. Be careful for ponding on the roadways, and get ready for mosquito season. They've been coming out. They've been out there, but once we start getting more and more rain, the mosquitoes will be coming on full force.
Well, hey, we like those storms, though. That's fun.
They sound cool, unless you have to watch the radar or stay up overnight watching those storms.
Thanks, Rob.